Hi besties, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you can tell, we are going to be unboxing a Colourpop mystery box. I love these videos so much. They're so fun to film and I hope that you guys really also enjoy them as well. This specific one is the CP Cyber Confidential Mystery Box. It was $65, but it's supposed to have a value of $159, so that's actually really exciting. Let's open her right up. The first item I see in here are these little baby lashes. These little falsies look like that in the shade, did I just say in the shade, by the name Honey. And, you know, there's a time and a place for a baby lash. Baby lashes are not my favorite, but like I said, time and place. The next thing I see here is a palette. It is the Lush Life palette. I don't own this one, that's why I'm kind of excited. Okay, let's see. I've never seen this one, so you guys are gonna see before me. I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm gonna open it. Okay, I'm gonna open them. You're joking! This is so pretty. Okay, wow. Okay, moving on. Oh my goodness, I'm excited about that, you guys. We literally got a palette. Let's see if there's any other palettes. There's another palette that I don't own yet. Woo! Love this. Okay. I think I know what this one looks like on the inside. Let me see. This is the Cherry Crush Colourpop palette. Opening it up and boom. Yeah, I've seen the inside of this one. This one is gorgeous as well. Let me see it up close. I was like, in the monitor, some of the shades look similar. Even up close a little, but there's still some differentiation there. That's actually a really stunning palette as well. And super excited to play with that. We also got the pressed powder palette in cream soda. Ooh, I think I know what this one looks like too. And guys, this one is cute. Let me see, let me show you. Yeah, I was eyeing this one, so this is actually a steal as well. Yes, ma'am. This is actually really good on-the-go palette to have because even with 4 shades, I think I could definitely make a cute look and really enjoy it every time. Let's see, last palette. I think this is the last palette. It is the Cherry Sweet Pressed Powder palette from Hello Kitty. And I've never seen this one before, but it's also pretty. Also pretty. Okay, I see you. I see you. We got the Lizzie McGuire Glitterly Obsessed. I am not obsessed with these, but it actually looks really beautiful in the pan there. Yeah, that looks amazing, but they're just not my favorite though, you know? Okay, we also got a lip scrub, which I'm very excited about because you guys, I was needing one because I'm running out of my strawberry one, so this is actually perfect. Love that. Love that. And then I guess I lied about there not being any more palettes because this is the Cashmere Forever palette. Let me open her up. Ooh, purples. We love to see purples. I've never seen this palette before. We love to see it. I really love purples, you guys, so I'm excited to see the quality on this. I haven't tried any of these new 5-pan Colourpop palettes, so that's exciting. It's like they know my favorite color is purple. We got this Super Shock shadow, but I'm not going to open it up because as you can see it is broken, but they did put that in the box as well. And then we got a Super Shock cheek, which I will open this up of course. And this is in the shade Guilty Pleasure. We also got a Hello Kitty pressed powder blush. Oh, which looks to be kind of like a bold pinky shade, right? Yeah, I would say it's a little bold. Very beautiful though. Definitely will get a lot of use out of me. And then we got a Just a Tint lip crayon in the shade Coral Kiss. Open that up. And it looks like this. I don't think I was expecting that shade. I don't know. Coral Kiss. And then we got a Color Sticks in the shade Princess Morbucks, which is like this blue shade. Really, really cute. Really pretty. They do so many different collections, you guys. And then we have the Barbie Colourpop Golden Beach Lip Duo. So we got this lipstick right here. Ooh, I like that. I would wear that. Yep, for sure. That was the lip cream. And then we have the lip liner. And the lip liner looks like that. Really cutesy. And then we have two Colourpop gel liners in the shades Fluffy and Chili. Let's open those up. Pull those out. My apologies. One is an actual like liner. It's a really cute shade there. And then we have a cream gel liner, which is a really pretty pink tone. Ooh, I'm excited to play with this. And that's everything, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item was, if you think it's worth it for $65. I think just for the palettes alone, like that's pretty good, you know what I'm saying? I definitely appreciated this mystery box a lot more, I feel like, than the last one that I did, because I genuinely see myself getting way more use out of these products than the last mystery box. If y'all know what I'm talking about, then you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I love this. It didn't feel like they were just trying to get rid of old stuff, you know what I mean? Maybe like some of the Hello Kitty stuff, but other than that, I really enjoyed everything. I'm trying to think of something. Oh, the Glitterly Obsessed, this, I don't know. I'll try to incorporate it if I can, that's okay. But yeah, I was actually really pleasantly surprised with this mystery box unboxing. Let me know if there's any other mystery boxes you want me to unbox. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, besties!